Good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. Oh, actually, good evening. I am in Phoenix, Arizona. We're here for the night. I was going to go walk around, but the sun is setting soon, so I don't really feel like walking back home in the dark or back to the hotel in the dark. So I'm just gonna go to the gym here. But the trick to going to the gym, like actually being motivated, as soon as you get to your hotel room, put on your gym clothes, because then you'll probably want to go to the gym. We worked 2 legs today. We worked from Boston to Charlotte, Charlotte to Phoenix, and Brennan actually brought me to the airport today, and I'm so grateful because I could sleep in an hour and a half extra, which is amazing. So thank you, Brandon. Princess parking. I'm just actually going to do a Pilates workout in the room. The hair is looking a little crazy, and I'm also breaking out on my cheek right over here, which is kind of random, so I'm not too sure what that's from. Okay, time to do the workout. And then I need to go to bed, so I'm tired. Good morning and welcome to day 3 of my 3-day. It is go home day. Yesterday I did not pick up the camera at all. It was a very lengthy day. We had 3 legs and they were all pretty decent flight times. We worked from Phoenix to Dallas, and then we worked Dallas to Belize, and then we worked Belize to Miami. Now we are in Miami all day. We don't have a flight until the nighttime, which is kind of nice. So it's sunny outside. I'm gonna go grab some breakfast, and then I'm probably going to head to the beach. Super basic of me, but here's the outfit. I have a white tee on underneath, my black sweater, some leggings, and flip-flops, and my little tote bag, because I have my iPad in there. I'm gonna try to finish editing. This is the outfit. I got this dress in Barcelona at a thrift shop for 10 euros, and it was a little too big. I actually got it to shrink in the wash, so it must be made out of cotton or something. But I didn't realize like how 70s it looked, and I was gonna put on this little head to protect my scalp out in the sun, but I think that might be too 70s of a vibe for me because I don't have a hat, so I might need this. I might just wear it like this instead. I feel like hats or anything on my head just looks so silly. Headbands, all of it, but I need to protect my scalp. I might grab a coffee because I found a little fruit fly in my coffee when I brought it back to the room and it freaked me out a little bit. I don't want that. Got back from the beach and I just ordered some food. I ordered lunch and dinner because I do not get home till really late tonight. The weather was absolutely perfect. It was 75, sun was out, there was a little bit of a breeze, but I'm just feeling so grateful that I have this layover where I have all day to enjoy some sunshine, because back home we're actually supposedly getting snow tonight, so I'm not too excited about that.
I got a matcha with almond milk. I ordered lunch and dinner for the day. The dinner is a chopped salad with hearts of palm, tomatoes, garbanzo beans, and carrots. For lunch, I did a falafel wrap with avocado, and it came with a tahini dip. For a snack, I got a kid's fruit with mango, banana, and strawberry, and it came with coconut flakes and honey.
I want to replenish my electrolytes because I'm out with the sun. So with the leftover ice in here, I'm actually just going to pour it in the Pure. I love Pure electrolytes. They're my favorite. This lemon one is my favorite from all the ones I have tried. There's no added sugar in here. So I'm going to just pour this in and then add water. It's like a lemonade. I have a little bit of this fruit before I have to get ready for the airport. Let's do a strawberry first. Thick honey. Sugar, not honey. Just like a little bit to coat it. It's already sweet enough. It's like a treat. And then mango. I love mangoes. Banana, I'm just going to do coconut on it. That was so good. I'm going to end the YouTube video here. I actually went back to Miami 2 more times this month, so I'll be back here. I appreciate all the love and support on the channel, and I